Hi Paul, it's Sarah. I'm going to teach you how to use the washing machine. So first of all, if you want to turn on this machine, you have to turn this button on this side. Then you're going to select with this button until this red button turn on. Then if it's a small amount of clothes, you're going to put in the minimum right here. And lastly, again, if is a small amount of clothes, you're going to put here in express washing. Then you're going to put play. Again, if is a small amount of clothes, is a big amount of our normal amount of clothes, you're going to turn this normal right there. You're going to select this again, and over here you're going to put the maximum. And lastly, you're going to put on play, and that's it. If you have any question, let me know. Bye.